Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix App Store not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on off airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for few seconds and turn off back. Method number 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Go back setting page. Scroll down. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Go back setting page. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Method number 3. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap date and time. Turn on set automatically. Method number 4. Check software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap General. Tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 5. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 6. Sign out Apple IDs and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off. And re-sign in back Apple ID. Thanks for watching this video.